friends, hope you're having a good day. It's Monday, we're back in the market, and man, there's so many deals out there right now. So many things I'm looking at that I'm like, I really want to buy a lot of this. A lot of it I've already got, but I want to buy more of it. But let's talk about one thing here, and that's Sundial. So obviously, I've been talking about Sundial for, man, a long time, over a year now. Something recently has happened with Sundial that's very new for investors with Sundial, people that have just been getting tore up in the market with Sundial. We've had a huge switch happen with Sundial. The feds recently, once again, are talking about trying to legalize cannabis completely, and a lot of cannabis stocks are jumping. Sundial is also jumping too, and one thing we're seeing now, crazy enough, obviously Sundial is coming out of this reverse split. It's done some pretty good numbers, pretty good volume since then. Nothing crazy to get people out of the hole, but still it's kind of holding its own right now. But we're seeing a lot of analysts actually say now might be the time to buy Sundial, which is totally, completely opposite of what they have been saying the past 6 months. So it's very interesting right now what we have going on. And Sundial, it's like I said, it's been doing pretty good here. Now, do I believe this is the turning point of what we need? Sundial is going to be a $10 stock tomorrow. No, that's not what I'm saying. What I believe with Sundial, and listen, this is not me bashing Sundial. I love Sundial. I've said that from day one. I love the aesthetics, everything they're doing, their investments, where they're trying to put their money, their bread and butter of day-to-day business. I love Sundial. Obviously, Sundial has taken huge hits here. The pandemic did not help. And then Sundial has been putting a lot of money into other investments, trying to, make themselves sustainable into the future where they have, money coming in left and right and up and down. But one thing that Sundial needs too, it needs that bigger market. It needs that market here in America where it can sell its, product everywhere. And once again, the feds are talking about that. So obviously, what are cannabis stocks doing? They're jumping. So we're saying that, yes, there are a ton of cannabis stocks. A lot have went under. A lot of them are new. A lot of them have been here in reverse splits, like Sundial Growers here. And it really just comes to a matter of, I don't know that, it's really hard to say which one's going to make it. I look at cannabis stocks almost like oil stocks. There's so many of them. It's like, which one do I choose? Which one does what? Which one's not in that much debt? And that's really how I feel about them. But Sundial is one that I've always stuck with. I've always loved it. And, I have a large chunk of it in another account that I just kind of keep tucked away. And, hopefully one day when this stuff is legalized everywhere, I'll see something come out of that. But I'm not expecting anything anytime soon. Obviously, Sundial's got to make up some money here. It's got to make up some lost shares. It's got to get on the investor side again. So as of late, Sundial is playing around this $3 mark, which is really good. This is really good. If we keep hearing about cannabis stocks being legalized everywhere, bet your bottom dollar that cannabis stocks, Sundial here, is going to continue to move with some pretty big volume. So, friends, really, I'm just making a quick little video. I haven't talked about Sundial in a few weeks here, so I just want to give what we're seeing here. There's not a whole lot new, but what we do know that is new here is that it's still worth watching. It's still got meat on the bone here, and I would not count Sundial out. I really wouldn't. I know we've been through some rough waters with it, but we're literally putting our money into something right now where it's not legal everywhere, and they have markets that they're not allowed to tap into yet. The key word there, yet. But I am very excited to see where Sundial can possibly get to with, their bread and butter, what they do on a day-to-day operation. So, friends, keep watching Sundial. I'm very interested to see what's going to happen here. I feel bigger numbers coming here. I really do. Obviously, too, in November here, we're going to see, maybe a switch with Democrats and Republicans, maybe not. So that could really tell a lot to what's coming down the pipeline here. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in that future of yours. Friends, I wish everyone the best of luck with the market and with Sundial here. I will talk to you very soon. Bye, everyone.